In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your resume to Google Sites in just a few simple steps. Whether you're building a personal portfolio or a professional website, having your resume directly on your site makes it super easy for visitors and potential employers to view and download it. The first step is to make sure your resume is in PDF format. This ensures it looks professional and keeps the formatting intact no matter where it's opened. If your resume is still in Word or another format, just save or export it as a PDF. Next, head over to your Google Drive and upload that PDF. This is important because Google Sites work seamlessly with Google Drive, making the process smooth. Now, go to your Google Sites editor and open the page where you'd like your resume to appear. From the right-hand menu, click on Insert, then select Drive. Choose your uploaded resume from your Google Drive and it will instantly appear on your site. You can resize it, adjust its placement, or even add some text above it like download my resume for clarity. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit publish. Your resume is now live on your Google site and anyone visiting can view or download it with a single click. And that's it. You've successfully added your resume to Google Sites in just a few minutes. If you've found this guide helpful, make sure to stick around for more easy tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.